Alright guys, I'm back. So I was able to install the turbo in the back. What I did is I installed the gasket that goes underneath the exhaust, and I haven't tightened the bolt completely, so I can have it a little bit loose. So I was able to go underneath and install the washers. So especially those here, the cooling lines. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, here's the turbo, and those lines, you gotta install the oil passage, the oil passage tube, the oil tube. Install it, and that's the first thing I did after I installed the bolt on top. Now let me show you the cooling lines. They're a little sketchy to do, but you can still do it, manage your weight. Let me show you what I mean by that. You see the lines there? There's washers. There's two washers. Those two washers, you gotta install them first. Those are original, so it's more easy, because at least Ford thought about that. I have to give Ford respect, because they know this job is a bitch to do. So what they did is they put two washers in one, so you don't have to break your head and to install one here and one there. So it's together, so you could just clamp it like a clamp right here, and the two washers are there, and you'll be able to install the bolts. Let me show you what I mean by that.